Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a name that resonates with courage, wisdom, and undying spirit of independence. Born in 1630, he rose from humble beginnings to become one of India's most revered kings, a fearless warrior, a brilliant strategist, and a visionary ruler. Shivaji Maharaj established the Maratha Empire and redefined what it meant to fight for freedom. Today, we dive deep into his extraordinary life and the legacy he left behind. Let's begin. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, born on February 1960 30, he in the Shivneri fort near Pune, is one of the India's most iconic and celebrated figures. His legacy as the warrior, a ruler, and visionary leader continues to inspire millions across the globe. From his rise as a young commander to the establishment of the Maratha Empire, Shivaji's life story is nothing short of extraordinary. His leadership, valor, and pioneering policies have left an indelible mark on Indian history. Let's see early life and influences of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was born to Shahji Bhosle, a Maratha general under the Deccan Sultanates, and Jijabai, a woman known for her strength and determination. Shivaji's mother Jijabai played a pivotal role in shaping his character. She was a woman of great conviction who nurtured Shivaji's sense of duty toward his motherland from an early age. Her teachings instilled in him a passion for Hindu traditions and a desire to free the country from foreign rule. Shivaji early years spent in the shadow of the volatile political atmosphere of the Deccan. The region was marked by the power struggles between the Mughal Empire, the Deccan Sultanates, and the growing Maratha influence. Despite growing up in the midst of these conflicts, Shivaji's youth was filled with stories of legendary warrior and brave kings, which fueled his dream of establishing a sovereign kingdom. Under the guidance of his mother and the military tutelage of various mentors, Shivaji was prepared to lead. Let's see the foundation of Maratha Empire. At the age of 16, Shivaji made his first major military move by capturing Torna Fort in 1645. This was his first victory and marked the beginning of his campaign to build a powerful kingdom in the heart of India. His military prowess and ability to think strategically soon become apparent. Over the next several years, Shivaji seized numerous forts, establishing control over vast swathes of territory in the Western Ghat and along the Konkan coast. However, it was not just military conquest that defined Shivaji's, it was his ability to convert his conquest into a sustainable kingdom. In 1674, after years of conflict with the Deccan Sultanates and Mughal Empire, Shivaji was formally crowned Chhatrapati at Raigarh Fort. His coronation symbolized the formal establishment of the Maratha Empire and marked a new era of Indian history. Military genius and warfare. Shivaji Maharaj was widely regarded as one of the greatest military tacticians in history. His ability to outsmart larger and more powerful enemies with guerrilla warfare tactics became his signature. He understood the importance of using the terrain to his advantage, which is why he built his fort in the mountain and other strategically important locations. This helped him this helped him maintain a strong defense and launch surprise attack on his enemies. Shivaji's army was known for its discipline, mobility, and strategic intelligence. Unlike the Mughal and other traditional armies, Shivaji's force often relied on swift and guerrilla style warfare, which allowed them to disrupt enemy lines and create confusion. One of his key strengths was his ability to keep his forces motivated and unified, despite being outnumbered in several battles. One of the most iconic moments in Shivaji's military career was his escape from the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb's captivity in Agra in 1666. Despite being imprisoned by the Mughal ruler, Shivaji managed to escape with the help of his son, Sambhaji, using his wit and ingenuity. This daring escape only added to his growing legend as a leader capable of outsmarting even the most powerful opponents. Religious tolerance and social reform. Shivaji Maharaj's commitment to religious tolerance is one of the most remarkable aspects of his reign. Though a devout Hindu, Shivaji ensured that people of all faiths, including Muslims, were treated with the respect and equality. He included Muslims in his administration, and many of his top generals and commanders were Muslims. He also built mosques and treated religious leaders from all faiths and dignity. His approach to governance was progressive, focusing not only on military expansion but also on social reform. Shivaji implemented policies to protect women's rights and promote education and ensured social justice. He discouraged child marriages, punished those who indulged in social vice, and actively promoted the welfare of women. Shivaji also led the foundation for a new cultural identity that was deeply rooted in the Indian tradition and values. His support for Marathi culture, art, and literature made the Maratha Empire a vibrant hub for intellectual and cultural exchange. Let's see conflicts with Mughal. The Mughal Empire under Emperor Aurangzeb became the greatest adversary to Shivaji ambitions. Aurangzeb's expansionist policies in the Deccan posed a serious threat to Shivaji kingdom. The Maratha Empire under Shivaji's leadership stood in direct opposition to the Mughal Empire, and a series of wars and battles ensued. Despite the Mughal Empire's overwhelming military might, Shivaji's military strategies proved to be highly effective. His use of guerrilla warfare tactics, surprise attacks, and his understanding of terrain made it difficult for the Mughals to defeat him. Shivaji's most significant triumph came in 1670 during the Battle of Sinhagad, where his forces decisively defeated the Mughal army, ensuring the continued survival of the Maratha Empire. Death and legacy. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj passed away on April 3, 1690, at the age of 50. His death marked the end of an era, but the Maratha Empire he built continued to grow under his successor. Shivaji's legacy, however, lives on. His commitment to the sovereignty of India, his inclusive governance, and his military genius have inspired countless leaders and revolutionaries in India and around the world. Shivaji remains a symbol of resistance against tyranny, and his name is synonymous with courage, justice, and leadership. His reign set the stage for the Maratha Empire to become one of the most powerful forces in India, and his policies and leadership continue to influence modern Indian policies and culture. Conclusion. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was not just a warrior king, he was a visionary leader who reshaped the political and cultural landscape of India. His military brilliance, governance, and commitment to justice and equality make him a revered figure in Indian history. His legacy served as a beacon of inspiration for generation, reminding us to power of courage, leadership, and unshakable determination. Today, Shivaji Maharaj was remembered not only as the founder of the Maratha Empire but also as he defied the odds and built an enduring legacy that continues to resonate in the hearts of millions of people around the world. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's life is testament of the power of courage, vision, and resilience. Resilience. From a young warrior to the founder of one of the most powerful empire in Indian history, his story continues to inspire generations. His principle of justice, religious tolerance, religious tolerance, and unwavering love for his country are lessons we can all learn from. So the next time you face a challenge, remember the legacy of Shivaji Maharaj who shown us that no obstacle is too great when you have to heart and will to fight for what's right. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And as always, stay inspired by the great who shaped Indian history. Jai Hind.